Welcome to the LX500 wireless diffuser. Thank you for choosing us to elevate your environment. Inside your box, you'll find everything thoughtfully designed for you. The user manual, replacement accessories, remote control, replacement cap, power cable and USB wall adapter, a wireless charging base, and the LX500 diffuser. To begin, connect the power cable to the USB wall adapter and plug it into a nearby outlet. Attach the cable to the diffuser, or, for a refined, wireless experience, connect the charging base and gently place the diffuser on top. A soft indicator light will confirm it's powered and ready. Now, let's prepare your fragrance. With care, unscrew the top of the diffuser. Insert your fragrance bottle into the designated grooves and align the internal components precisely. Rotate the head clockwise until it locks securely in place. Next, activate your remote by removing the protective tab from the battery compartment. Press the power button to confirm pairing, then press again to begin diffusion. Select your desired mist level, low, medium, or high, to curate the perfect ambiance. You can move the diffuser anywhere in your space without keeping it connected to power. Just make sure it's fully charged for optimal use. Important, always keep your diffuser upright. Do not lay it on its side or turn it upside down once the fragrance bottle is installed. Welcome to the LX500 wireless experience.